If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker, stiffer, or less steady than they used to, I want you to listen closely. Because what I'm about to tell you surprises almost every older adult I work with. Your legs are not losing strength because of age alone. They're losing strength because the connection between your brain and your muscles is weakening. And the good news, you can rebuild that connection. You can restore strength. You can move with confidence again. And you can do it with only 4 simple exercises, just a few minutes a day. Exercises that thousands of seniors in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and even 90s have used to walk better, stand taller, and stay independent. Exercises backed by research and designed specifically for aging muscles and joints. Today, I'll guide you through all 4 of them, step by step. But first, let me tell you a short story. A few months ago, a woman named Margaret walked into my office. She was 78. She used to hike, garden, climb stairs easily. But over the past 3 years, she said her legs weren't listening the way they used to. Getting up from a chair felt harder. Climbing steps felt exhausting. And she worried deeply that she was slowly losing her independence. She told me, "I know I'm getting older, but I didn't expect to feel this weak." But here's the twist. Her muscles weren't the only issue. Her nervous system had simply stopped communicating efficiently with her legs. Her brain wasn't sending strong signals anymore. So I put her on the same 4 exercise routine I'm about to teach you today. And within just 3 weeks, she looked at me with tears in her eyes and said, "I didn't think strength like this was possible again." If her story sounds familiar, stay with me. You may notice the same improvements, maybe even faster. Let's take 60 seconds to explain something most doctors never tell you. After age 60, you lose about 1% of muscle every year. Your nerves fire slower. Your balance systems react slower. Your joints stiffen. And the muscles responsible for stability, your calves, hips, and ankles become underused. But here's the part that matters. Your muscles can grow at any age. Your balance can improve at any age. Your legs can get stronger at any age. The key is using movements that strengthen the major leg muscles, rebuild neural pathways, improve joint mobility, balance, restore functional movement, the type you need for real life. And the 4 exercises in this routine do exactly that. Before we start, comment below, "I'm ready," so I know you're with me and ready to take action. Let's begin. Before we jump into exercise number 1, I want you to do a simple warm-up. This prepares your joints, increases blood flow, and wakes up the nervous system. Sit or stand tall, roll your shoulders back 5 times, turn your head gently side to side, march lightly in place for 20 seconds, wiggle your toes and ankles. Great. Your body is ready. Let's begin the routine. The Independence Builder. This is the single most powerful movement for seniors because it mimics real life activities. Getting out of a chair, stair, stepping into a car, walking up a curb, getting up from the floor. Step-ups activate quadriceps, front of thighs, glutes, your main power muscle. Hip stabilizers, core muscles, balance and coordination centers in the brain. Think of this as your strength plus balance plus mobility hybrid exercise. Find a low step, 2 to 4 inches. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Your stronger leg on the step as you exhale. Press through the whole foot. Lift your body up slowly. No rushing. Bring the other foot to meet it. Pause at the top for 1 second. Step down with control. Repeat 8 to 10 times. Switch sides. Go slowly. Control beats speed every time. Increase step height by 1 to 2 inches. Add light hand weights. Pause for 3 seconds at the top. Do the entire set without holding on, rushing, pushing from toes instead of full foot, pulling with hands, leaning too far forward. Engagement cue. Comment below. Step-ups done. When you finish this section, your second heart strengthener. Most people don't realize this, but your calf muscles act like a second heart. Every time they contract, they help pump blood back to your upper body, reducing swelling, improving circulation, and helping you stay steady. Weak calves equals poor balance plus slower walking. Hill raises strength in calf ankle, stabilizes tendons that prevent false blood flow. Mechanisms. Stand behind a chair for light balance. Keep feet hip width apart. Inhale as you exhale. Rise slowly onto the balls of your feet. Lift as high as comfortable. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Lower down over 3 seconds. Repeat 1 to 1.5 times. Rest complete. 2 to 3 sets. The lowering phase, called the eccentric phase, creates the most strength gain for aging muscles. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Hand support. Use only fingertips. Stride single leg heel. Raises. Add light weights. Bouncing, dropping down fast. letting ankles roll outward, the mobility protectors if your ankles are stiff. Your entire walking pattern breaks down. Weak ankles equals shuffling, poor balance, and increased fall risk. This is one of the most underrated exercises. For older adults, this combination targets shin muscles responsible for lifting your feet, calves, mobility foot, flexibility nerve, activation gait mechanics. Sit on a chair, extend one leg slightly, draw a slow circle. With your big toe do 10 circles. Clockwise do 10, counterclockwise switch. Legs extend the same leg, flex your toes toward your shin, exhale, hold 1 second, point toes away, inhale, repeat 15 to 20 times, switch legs, add resistance band, hold each position for 2 to 3 seconds, perform more slowly. The great integrator, this is where strength, balance, coordination, and brain-to-muscle connection come together. Marching in place is one of the most functional full leg exercises for seniors. Marching builds hip flexor, strength, core, stability, walking mechanics, balance, cardiovascular, fitness, coordination. Sit tall at the edge of a chair, lift one knee as high as comfortable, lower it slowly, switch sides, do 20 to 30. March, stand tall, lightly hold a counter, lift one knee, lower, switch, start with 30 seconds, work up to 1 to 2 minutes. Try to in support, lift knees slightly higher, add slow arm swings, finish with deep breathing, gentle ankle rolls, slow toe taps, light calf stretch. Your legs have done great work. Do the 4 exercises once in the morning, once in the evening, in about 8 to 10 minutes total. That's all it takes to begin rebuilding strength, stability, and confidence. If this video helped you today, even a little, please take a moment to give this video a like, comment, I'm committed below, subscribe so you never miss the tips that keep you strong, active, and independent. We share new videos every Wednesday and Friday, and I'd love for you to join this community of people who refuse to let age define their abilities. Your legs are not done, your strength is not gone, and your future mobility is in your hands. Now stand up, choose one exercise, and start right now. Your stronger self is waiting.